Man, is this like a go-kart? Hey, what are you good at? Let's get good at that.
Get good at that.
Everyone, this is Oscar. Before we go into Illegal Alien Racing, which is his YouTube channel, please check it out. I want to first start with his backstory. How did this get started?
Me and some buddies, hey, you want to go go-kart racing? Of course, we're really competitive, so we put money on it. I've been a racing fan pretty much my whole life. I've got this, I understand racing lines. They don't know these secrets. I do, I'm gonna win.
Right, yeah. You've seen all the shows.
I did.
You've watched the movies.
I've done my time.
Yes.
It didn't turn out.
Oh, man, that's too bad.
And it really
Irked you.
It irked me, I guess we'll say.
Yeah.
So what did I do about it? I went to that same kart track and I went out there by myself and I ran laps by myself over and over and over, and I had a GoPro with me.
Okay.
I go home and I upload this GoPro footage and I rewatch it.
Yes.
Just like Tom Brady watches his football film.
Yes, that's what you do. You review the footage, you get better, and you analyze it.
What did I do good? What did I do bad?
Right.
You find your best lap and you just rewatch that lap over and over and over, and it becomes muscle memory.
These are the secrets.
These are the keys.
This is the key. This is how you get better.
Repetition.
At anything. Strap a GoPro on you. You want to get better at standing in a line at the bank.
Yeah.
Strap a GoPro on your head. I'm sure they'd be okay with it.
When I was looking for information on how to get started in karting, what do I need to know? There was really nowhere to look. So I created Illegal Alien Racing, and it's a channel specifically designed for people that are thinking about going from just renting karts at the track to buying their own kart for the first time, or if you just bought your kart, kind of what happens next. So I like to think of it that the viewers are kind of taking this ride with me and progressing. You know, in my racing career, I think it's really cool with the channel is that I narrate my races in real time. So I've got a microphone stuck in my helmet and I'm telling you what's going on with the race.
We held up pretty good there. We're gonna pass this guy on the straight.
What I'm gonna do and kind of strategizing, because we are constantly evaluating, taking in information, setting things up. I mean, there'll be a lap where I'm gonna pass this guy here.
They want to take him out.
The next lap, and I'm setting it up 9 corners before.
We got to be more patient.
Where's he good at this area? Where am I better? Right?
There you go.
Hey, they're really good at this. Well, we're not gonna do that.
What is the minimum someone could have to spend to get into karting?
I've seen a kart go for sale for $1,000. Just gotta clean it up a little bit, but it ran. You could put it in a race that day. On the high end, you're looking at north of $10,000.
$10,000.
It just depends what you get.
What kind of kart is a $10,000 kart?
Those are called the shifter karts.
Okay.
6-speed gearbox.
Yeah.
These things fly.
Got a lot of power. It's actually kind of scary a little bit.
It's not a toy.
Yeah.
That kart will go at this track here at Dallas Karting Complex. I've gotten it up to the low 80s down the straightaway.
This thing will definitely get you in trouble real quick.
I've been skydiving before in the same category.
Really?
It's an experience. So a couple of things that you don't want to do on track is you don't want to hit the brakes while you're turning. You're gonna have a tendency to lock the brakes up, spin the kart out. Ruins your lap time, ruins your race if you're in a race, and it's dangerous because now people behind you have to avoid you.
Right.
So that's not good. The other thing you don't want to do is you don't want to jerk the wheel suddenly. You don't want to just take the wheel and turn right, turn left. It'll be really smooth.
Right. Let the tires grip.
Yeah,
Don't
just kind of
slam into someone who's next to you.
nice and easy, under control. You don't want to drift. Drifting looks cool, but it's really, really slow.
Yeah.
The other thing you want to do is you want to race on the racing line, which is the most efficient way around the track. So let's say that you're making a right-hander. I see people commonly in the middle of the track and they start their right-hander. It's like, no, dude, you got to be all the way out, start your right-hander, and the curb's right here. You want to be like inches from the curb, not feet. You want to be right there. Be very precise.
Yeah.
All this stuff.
The smallest turns you can.
Right.
Is that what that's
Right.
about?
So imagine the way I would probably describe it to somebody is imagine if you didn't have an engine on your go-kart and they put you down a big ramp and you coasted and they said go down the track as far as you can before you run out of momentum. The racing line is what you would take to achieve that. As far as finding information on the different kart classes, I've got a video on my YouTube channel that I talk about, I think 5 or 6 different karts. Okay. Explain what they are, what they look like, the good and the bad about it, tools that you'll need, what gear you need, stuff like that. You know, do you need karting shoes or sneakers cool? Stuff like that, I address all that stuff.
Yeah, so we'll put that in the comments. So you scroll down, you can find the link to that actual episode. All right, I want to thank Dallas Karting Complex for allowing us to come out here, and I cannot wait to race you on that track out there. It looks amazing. I really enjoyed it. I know all of you will as well. If you go to his YouTube channel, you will have a great time learning about the craft and the sport. I will put it in my comments. I'll have a link to his channel, and I'll actually put something like right around here that you can just click on that instead of having to do all the work of scrolling. Oh, so do these things, learn something new, and live yourself a better life.
Get good at that.
Okay, just say no.
Just say no to drugs.
But
No.
Just say yes to karting, though.
Say yes to karting.
No to drugs.
No to drugs.
Right. The illegal ones.
Yes. Do lots of legal drugs.